Question 1 on paper 2 is a coordinate geometry question. We're given 2 points, A and B. We're asked to find the slope. Slopes are either positive or negative, and it's always the change in y over the change in x. You can see here y changes from 2 to 8. The change is 6. And x changes from 4 to 1. The change is 3. So we have to decide whether it's a positive or negative. And we can do that by just sketching it. Or else just use the formula, 4, 2, out 4, up 2, and then out 1, up 8, so kind of up here. So we can see it's coming down from left to right. So this is a negative slope, and it simplifies to negative 2. The distance AB is Pythagoras. We could create a right angle triangle here and put all our values in, but it's the numbers in the slope, the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. If you learn this off, it makes it nice and easy. 36 and 9 is 45. That would be fully correct, full marks, but your calculator will see this as root 9 by root 5. So it will come up as 3 root 5 on a calculator. Both full marks. And find the equation through the point with a slope, and in the format which confuses a lot of people. Just means that everything's on the same side of the equal sign. I'm sure you know the formula off by heart for equation of a line. If you don't and you're doing the leaving cert, I'm worried. So y is 7, y minus 7 equals m, which is slope, 1 over 3 by x minus 2, so it's going to become plus 2. Multiplying both sides by 3, I get 3y minus 21 is equal to x plus 2. I'm bringing everything to the same side. X minus 3y plus 2 minus 21 will become plus 21. We'll get x minus 3y plus 23 is equal to 0. Tricky enough part C, we're given a point and we're asked to draw a line through the point that has a particular slope, and it's within this range from minus 2 to plus 6 on the y-axis, so between minus 2 and plus 6 on the y-axis. So we want to find out, well, what is the slope of 2? So out on the x1, change in y is 2, so the slope looks like this, a slope of 2. So this is just a sketch. So if we can start at this point and do a slope of 2, that line there has a slope of 2, so just continue it on. See that all these sectors will have slopes of 2. We continue down, we'll end up at the point 0, 3. These triangles are not required, just showing you that we're keeping the same slope all the way along. 2 over 1 each time. So this is the first line, and then the second one, we're asked to draw a line segment through the same point between minus 1 and 7 on the x. They're trying to confuse you here. Minus 1 and 7, because it's going to be a negative slope. Slope of minus 2 over 3. So we just sketch that minus 2 over 3. We start here maybe just to see what it would look like. So y would change by 2 and x would change by 3. So that will be x changing by 3, and y changing by 2 negatively will be down this way. Just confirm that this is the case. So change in y is 3, change in x is 2. So from this point we can see we can just draw the same triangle. Change in y, 3, I have the dot there and 7 already. So it's going to come down like this. You can see definitely negative slope, so we want to go across 3, up 2. That will give us our next point, or just put the ruler on. And then continue along on the same. Back. If we go back 3, it'll be approximately here. And up 2 will get us to approximately this line here. So that's the last part of question 1.